Hi everyone, I am Kelly Shaffner. Welcome to my channel. If you are brand new, I especially want to welcome you and invite you to subscribe to this channel. If you tap the bell, you will get a notification every single time I upload a video, and I make videos all about women's fashion, women's clothing, online shopping, subscription style boxes, everything women's fashion. So please be certain to subscribe and join me again. So you read the title and you know it's a Stitch Fix day, and I love a Stitch Fix day. The only thing that is better is Friday. If Stitch Fix and Friday fall on the same day, I mean, that's a holiday. Everything you need to know about Stitch Fix I have put in the description box below, so if you just click on that, you can get all the information, as well as my referral link. So if you would like to try Stitch Fix for the very first time, and if you use my referral link, you will get $25 credit on your first fix. And they also give me a little bit of credit. So thank you to everyone that has used my referral. You guys really help the Kelly Shaffner channel by using my link. So thank you to everyone. I have a little bit of credit on this box, and this is a little box. It's a little fall box, and it is heavy. So never judge a package by its weight. I did change my style profile because I am pretty much set on the basics, but I did let them know that if there was anything that they thought I would really love, that I am interested in seeing that. So I didn't change it up a whole lot, just I just don't need boxes and boxes of button-ups any longer. So this is what your box looks like when you get it. There is a return mailer because postage is free with Stitch Fix both ways, and we have paperwork. This paperwork has a card in it. I'm not gonna look at what they gave me. Oh, I'm styled by Liz. That's what it says. I'll read the stylist note later on. And we have prices. My least favorite thing in this box is prices. And we have a big heavy bundle. Okay, what does it, okay, gray. That looks like some burgundy, polka dots. Polka dots. Ooh, I see navy polka dots, and I like that. Let's see. I've got to rip into this, guys. First thing I have, these are STS blue. These are a black denim. These look amazing. They are super clean, ankle skinny. What are they called? The STS blue Taya skinny jean in black. These are awesome, because I don't have an all black denim. I'm gonna check my closet. I know that's unbelievable. I'm gonna check my closet. I could be lying right now. There are pockets on the back, and these feel really nice, and there's stretch in them. So yeah, this is nice, looking good so far. Yeah, I mean, because I think that these, black always looks a little bit dressier than a denim. So okay, the next thing is by Kenzie. This is Kenzie, and this is in an extra large. Okay, that's weird because that's not my size, but this is the Kenzie Marni notched collar blazer in gray, and it's an extra large, but it looks like it could fit. It does look like it has short sleeves, so I don't know. Maybe these are 3/4 length sleeves, and then we have that notched collar detail. And do we have pockets? There are pockets. I think there's pockets there. It might be stitched shut. I gotta see if I can stick my finger in there because I want a pocket. That makes a difference. It is lined, and it's nicely lined. So, next up, you guys, I don't think this is my box. This is the Collette Romney cold shoulder knit top in purple, and it's an extra large. This is not my box. This can't be my box. I mean, I like everything, but this is not my size. But this is what this looks like. What am I gonna do? Try on everything that's too big? Okay. And next we have, this one is the Mix by 41 Hawthorne Cassidy faux wrap dress in navy, and it's an extra large. And this is so cute. Why isn't it my size? I love this. Oh, this is beautiful. They should be sending this to me in the right size. I like this faux wrap with the navy and the polka dots. And guys, I have to read my style card. I am so curious now if I got someone else's box, because look at how big this is. This is not going to fit me, but this is beautiful as well. And this is the Market and Spruce Azide textured print top in navy, and it's an extra large. And you can see that, I don't know who ordered this box, but they have good taste and a great stylist, because I like everything in this box. It's just not my size. You guys, I have to look. Let me look real quick. Hi, Kelly. I am so excited to be your partner in style for this month's fix. I've been watching a few of your unboxing videos, and I know you love aligned blazers, so I snagged you two to add to your collection. The Calvin Klein Georgette style is perfect fall plaid, and the Rosamunda Ponte blazer in charcoal gray made with luxe sturdy stretch. Pair with the Calvin Klein blazer with a Daniel Rain crochet trim top and the level 99 straight leg pants to look polished and professional for your upcoming business casual event. Since you love a bit of edge, I also snagged the 9 Britain hunter green dress that you can pair with either blazer for dinner out or a fall event you may have on your social calendar. Happy styling. Hope you love it all, Liz. Okay, you guys want to see what I was supposed to get? It looks like a white top, and what's that? These are the level 99 pants. That's the Abigail knit dress. There's a Calvin Klein blazer and a Rosamunda blazer. I got someone else's fix, guys. This has never happened before. This looks like, I think it was a 5 for $5 too. Well, okay. The invoice in this box is addressed to me, and all the items mentioned in the style card are listed here. So I think that my bundle just got mixed up with someone else's bundle. I'll tell you the price of my fix, the fix that I was supposed to get, is $476. Ooh, so I dodged a bullet there. Although I still want to receive it because it looks beautiful, and the buy all discount on my fix that I was supposed to get is $119. So I've got some credit, that brings it down a bit, but I don't even have the option to purchase that. I am going to reach out to customer service and let them know what happened. And this is not on my stylist at all. There are a lot of pieces to the Stitch Fix puzzle, as there are any business. So I don't blame this brand new stylist. It looks like what she selected for me I would have really enjoyed. I may even request that navy polka dot dress. It's beautiful. I have no idea what it costs. Sorry about that. I can't help you with price. It's an unusual Stitch Fix. Thank you so much for sticking around for something that was kind of off the wall and unexpected and not the norm. And I am sure that Stitch Fix is going to put my box in the mail right away, and I will be able to make that video for you. So please be on the lookout for that. And I will have another video for you in just 2 days. It's going to be about women's clothing, so be on the lookout for that. Make sure you subscribe, you like, and hey, could I get a thumbs up? I would really appreciate a thumbs up on this video. Thank you to all of you for sticking around. Until I see you again, blessings.